So I was on Hangouts the other night, and Daniel Harju was there, and we were just hanging out with a bunch of makers. Steve Nealon from Makers Media Network, Arniel Media, a few other cats. I think Patrick's Workshop was there. There's a bunch of people were there, and so Harju's working in the background. You know how you have the Hangouts with the little screens on the bottom, and Harju's working on the background, and he pulls, and then he comes, and then he comes over, and all of a sudden he shows a mallet. I'm like, whoa, wow! And I don't know if it was me because I saw the post, or if it was someone else, maybe Patrick's Workshop. But they said there's a mallet challenge, and I said, dude, enter your mallet into the challenge, and So I got sort of inspired seeing that he had made that on the spot, and I call it King's Ransom. It's a play on words for King's Fine Woodworking, James King. King's Ransom. I love the way it came out. Now, shocker for some of you, maybe not. This is all pine. This is my first mallet ever made. First mallet. It's all pine. Now, I didn't get all the footage. I got so inspired that I just kept at it and at it. And the theme is, you know, this purple insinuating James King and the Purple Heart. He uses all the heavy end wood. So that's sort of like a shout out to him as well. And this is just, and I was thinking in terms of D&D, you know, medieval and whatnot, Viking and so on and so forth. So it's decorative, but it's all turned, and I use dyes for the purple and the handle, wood dyes, really cool. And then I painted the ends here in gold.